It's a junkyard motor.
Ain't no street car.
Who's this guy? I fanboying a little bit because let's see if I can get out of here. Oh, my back. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we are still at Ford Takeover, guys. This is the official show day. Take a look around. We've got Fords everywhere you can see. And what do we got here? Oh my goodness, 417 Fox. Got his Cobra clone over here. Got his new S550 Mustang. Got them both.
Yep.
And he got me his hat. He got me his hat, man. I got to give you props on that. I appreciate
we also
it.
Brought
yeah,
this.
You painted that one too, right?
Yep. That's the last build on the channel.
Yep. So you guys remember he's the guy that does the trim bezels, and guess what? He also makes freaking awesome merch. So you got shirt tags.
One of a kind.
Yeah, you can't get this one. Sorry. Maybe we'll do a custom order. What, $100 a piece or something?
Something
no,
like that.
$704.
$704 if you want one.
There you go, guys. You heard it right here. But that's cool. I love the booth setup, man. Yeah, you're big time now, YouTuber. You kind of making me feel bad with this whole booth setup.
I'm trying to catch up with the big guys like you, man. I'm trying to catch up.
You're doing well. You're doing well. So you can't drive two at once. Like who drove what?
So here was our ride. So it's about 7 hours for us to get to here. The wife and daughter-in-law drove the S550, and my son and I, Peyton, he's right around the corner over here. We pulled this behind my truck. Okay. So I drove it last year here, but with so much stuff that we were bringing this year.
Yeah, I had to bring all the stuff.
Anyway, so my truck's back here, and so we just pulled it. And
okay, yeah, see that Ford as well, so it could be in the show.
Then I built this car for. He pulled this car all the way from Birmingham.
Wow.
To bring it up.
There you go. That's dedication. That's dedication. But anyway, this is gonna be fun. It is, and it's kind of raining right now, but hopefully it's gonna clear up.
Let's hope so.
So appreciate the hat again.
Thanks,
Thank you. Check out his channel, guys. Good stuff. Like I said, it's raining today, but you know what? I'm gonna brave the rain, try to show you guys some of the cars, what's going on out here. I did get a really good spot today. Luckily, Blue Oval Media, Kenneth, Sean hooked me up, so I got to park right down there. There's Tar Heel Fox. Let's go see some of these other Fox bodies. You see Tar Heel Fox on the channel all the time. So let's go see some other Fox bodies, some other Mustangs, because there is a lot of them out here. Guys, got a part swap here today too. Although the rain probably keeping people away from you.
Actually did pretty good considering I'm the only one here.
Fenders. Yeah, I'm surprised there's not more, honestly. This is all your stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Merc staying on Instagram, so if you see anything you like here, because people always bother me, hit him up on Instagram. Don't bother me, hit him up. GT40 intake. Oh, you got a pedal assembly. I know that someone recently was looking for one of those.
It's a whole T5 swap kit.
Okay.
Drive shaft, everything, cross member.
Funky 5.0, black cherry bomb. Right here, man. T5 swap, get rid of that auto. I'm telling you, C4, no good. Dash.
93, yeah.
So like you heard at the beginning, there is a track here. They were gonna do some racing. I was really hoping to see that. And now it's finally stopped raining a little bit. So maybe they'll be able to clear the track off. I hope so. But there's more cars everywhere, more Fords everywhere. People still rolling in, just hanging out, having fun. I'm so glad show season is back. Caught one of the guys I know on Instagram, guys, Mike Ward, checking out his Fox body here. 85, is that right?
83.
83, I should have known if I'd have come up here and looked. That is not an 85 or 86 front end. He's had this car since high school. Just telling me about the engine. Because really, it goes down fast down the drag strip now, guys. He posts on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram up on the screen so you can see the car. You said it's a junkyard motor?
Junkyard short block. Stock, oil pan never been off of it.
Really?
Yeah, trick flow head, trick flow cam, but the oil pan's never been off of it. It uses a little oil, but it's still...
You pull, yeah, I mean, just put more oil in it, right? Yep. Original 302, yep. Guys. Oh, is that a Holly 750 or what's that?
That's a 650 Demon.
Demon, all right, 650 Demon. And of course, guys, check this out. Nice. Got nitrous on it. I love these on the wheels too, sticking out. Take a look at the interior. It was originally white with red interior when he got it back in high school, but you see his MSD set up, you see his bottle. Interior's got it a little bit, but it will move. What's your best time, Mike?
676.
676. That is moving for a stock 302. Stock 302, 676. I mean,
so probably some guy making minimum wage built that motor in 88.
Yeah, right. And you're still using it today. That is so cool, man. Guys, it rained today. Unfortunately, we're not getting to do any dragging yet, but this man dragged last night, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
Boosted 931. Did you get it on a video? Did you make a video of that pass?
We got a video. It's on Instagram.
Okay, but I mean, are you going to do an actual YouTube video on it?
Video.
Yes, so that's coming, but fastest pass ever, guys. What'd you get?
493 at 130.
In the fours. What was it, 133?
130.
130.
We lifted at about 650 mark though.
Okay.
So it should have went up maybe a 490.
Yeah.
So I was pretty excited.
Boosted. What is it?
It's actually boosted, but that came from one of our friends over here. He always calls me boosted.
Yeah.
So I said I'm gonna do that for him. I just recently put a cage in it.
Look at that. I mean, you need it if you're gonna run freaking 4 seconds in the 8th mile.
Well, we still got heat, you know, we still got power steering.
But you got a cage. How does it ride?
It rides like a dream.
Well, I don't believe it.
It's a built sleeve O-ring motor built by Will at RPG. It's a 5.0 Coyote. Did an on 380 kit on it, making 32 pounds of boost.
32 pounds of boost. Yeah. What you mean turbo?
Still got the factory cage member, factory battery, got the heater, power windows.
You did change it to a GT500 front clip?
And I ripped it off last night. Actually.
Oh.
As you can tell right here, when you go fast, some stones don't go right.
Stuff break. Well, if you want to see that video of how fast this car goes, definitely check his channel out. And the correct way to spell it, Boosted 931. There you go. Rain has been letting up. I think all these cars over here are waiting to drag race. Hopefully they can get the track clean. Spectator parking is over there, and we got more drag on this side. And they have actually a vendor row this time. This was not here 2 years ago. This event has really grown. I'm really glad I came out. See what's going on here on vendor row. Coyote swap F100.
Morning, sir. How are you?
Who's this?
Look at who we ran into.
Doing good on this beautiful day.
Gearhead 704.
What's up, car mob? Who's this guy? Look at you, man. You got a tent.
Yeah,
nice.
Where's your tent at?
I told you I wasn't gonna bring it. I told him I wasn't gonna bring it.
Why'd you not?
Convertible. Besides, I want to be with the people. I want to be the people.
Oh, okay, I see.
That's how I got to spin it, y'all. That's how I got to spin it. Guys, like I said, 2 years ago was my first time here. Came out and met a lot of guys, and it has grown leaps and bounds. Kayla's been doing the show for about 5 years, and someone else involved in the show this year is Brutal. How you doing, Brutal? Welcome back to the channel. You know, 2 years ago, you definitely helped my channel grow a lot, and I still thank you for that, sir.
I remember the first time that you pulled up, and you still have that sign too, right?
I do.
The homemade sign. It was awesome.
I brought it out yesterday, but today it might get wet. So.
You know what? That sign got a lot of attention though. So
yeah.
It was awesome.
Had to start somewhere, but it's cool. You're actually involved in the show this year,
yes,
is that right?
Yes, we are sponsored this year, and from here on out, hopefully we'll be involved in the show. Guys, listen, if you've never made it to one of these events, you need to. Because look around. I mean, even in the rain, people support this event. It's really awesome. We had the dyno day yesterday. We have the pre-meet now. So that's something new.
Yeah, that was fun.
Before. So the pre
and the cruising I like too. The cruising yesterday.
After that, everybody meets up again.
Yeah. It's really growing, right?
Yes, it really is. And seriously, if you never made it, you need to get out here now to the next event. I promise you, it's going to be awesome.
100%. And the one other thing I heard is at some point we might see, I know it's still in the works, we might see an event down your way. Is that right?
Yes, we are in talks right now of doing an event, Dothan, Alabama. So we're on the Alabama, Florida, Georgia line in that area, southeast. So we may do an event down there. I don't know. Just gotta find
just got to see. So check out his channel, stay up to date for that. But very cool that you're doing this Foxcast. Appreciate you, man. It's a good time. Have fun today.
All right, man.
There it is, finally. Finally getting to see this thing in person. I didn't even notice the tag. What's wrong with me? You get to run today, man. Were you gonna run it?
I think we were gonna change some tires if the track came around. But I mean, it'd be the first time down the track in the 363, which is not dialed in very well yet. So
yeah, it'd be kind of like a test and tune.
I'll send it.
We know that, man. If you guys haven't watched, you know he's gonna send it.
I'm gonna send it anyways. It'll pop and smoke. I don't care.
He's gonna send it, isn't he? Yeah, he knows.
We'll just have
Cousin Paul knows you send it, man. Did you bring anything to sell? Any parts or anything to sell?
Not parts, but we bought just a little bit of merch.
Okay.
They got a swap meet here?
Yeah, there's a swap meet. Because that's what you do, man. You do a lot of those too.
I do a lot of parts.
Yeah.
I met Matt.
Yeah, I know. That's Matt from Fox Resto. That's where you guys met at. How's Dad's car doing?
We're gonna bring it down here and spray the out of it, but it didn't end up happening.
Yeah.
I didn't have that extra truck to bring it down. So.
Yeah, because you came in late last night. He did make it to the cruising, guys. In case you missed him on video, you showed up at the very end of the video. There was some shenanigans going on.
So did the cops.
Yeah, they did. I'm glad you showed up. So
I'm glad I showed up. Good to see all y'all.
Yeah, first time we've actually met in person. So,
that's right.
But in case you guys don't know, he does a channel, YouTube channel as well, all about Fox Body stuff, and he's been on YouTube for years. Probably already seen him, but just in case, Mustangs is his channel name. Check him out. Good dude. Dan's a good dude.
I appreciate you, man.
Guys, Pony, Jeremy, what's going on? I heard stepchild. She did something last night.
Personal best so far.
Yeah, I heard you got in the 6s. Is that true?
685 best pass.
Wow.
It's got more in it too. So.
And I saw a clip of you shifting those gears, man. And you were driving that thing. I mean, it sounded like automatic. You're excited, right?
It's fun. Now it's fun.
Now it's fun. Is this finally where you want it?
It's gonna go faster.
It's gonna go.
But now
it's never fast enough, right? That's awesome, man. Congrats on that 685. Awesome. Making the rounds around here, guys, and I fanboying a little bit because this car, I've seen the engine taken out like, I don't know, 4 times or so. How many times do you have this engine out, Dan?
I think you're right. I think it's been about 4 times.
Yeah. This is regular guy garage, Dan, and I saw one of his videos when I was a small channel. He had a 4i back then.
Yep, 86.
Yep, and it had tons of views, and I was like, oh, this is kind of cool. But I didn't know about subscribing, so I never subscribed. And then Dan found me later on and started commenting, and now I've been subscribed, following religiously. We have something else in common too. Your rear end. You had to rebuild your rear end, right?
Yeah, I switched from a 410 to a 331 to complement the turbo.
So is that basically like, you know, I don't know a lot about Go Fast, but everybody goes to like a lower rear end ratio with the turbo. Is that so you can get up into the RPMs? Is that why?
I guess the theory behind it is with the taller gear, it's going to put more load on the engine and you'll build boost a lot faster and it'll maintain it. Because with the 410, I was building boost, but it would step up. So I would only build 8 pounds in first gear, 10 in second, and then 12 out the back. Whereas now it'll build that 10 or 12 or whatever I have it set to, and it'll hold it throughout the whole time down the track.
You rebuilt the rear end though, not because you wanted to go to the 331. You actually had to. It died on you, right?
Yeah. So, and it was actually funny. The rear end was fine, but when I was trying to back the car out of the garage one day, the transmission cable, the cotter pin came out of it, and so when I threw the car in reverse, it slammed back into park. And so then I was like, man, I just broke the rear, so I tore it apart. Saw that it was fine, but then I had the gears anyway. And plus, we were supposed to race Brutal and all the stuff he ended up changing. It actually didn't make the car quicker. The gear change thing, the car ran the same time, so.
Okay, yeah, you actually ran this at the track, right? Before you came here, what, Thursday night, I think?
Yeah, Thursday night I did some testing. The gears had maybe 2 miles on them for me driving up and down the road. But I wanted to do a shakedown pass to one, make sure the gears were okay, no leaking or anything. Plus I had a lot of fuel table adjustments to make.
Yeah, that's another thing too. People might not know. This is a 331, right? But you did all the tuning yourself, right?
Yeah, so it's just got the Holly Terminator. I know nothing about tuning.
Yeah, you learned. You taught yourself.
I read a lot on the Holly forums.
And you got on-3 turbo.
Yeah, 76mm on-3 turbo. I mean, it's a pretty simple, basic budget build. As you can see, the car's not much. You know, 331 blueprint engines heads, which are a very cheap cast head. And then yeah, I just took all the accessories off. It's got a comp cams cam, little cheap turbo.
It's a really cheap build, and I just think of Fast and Furious, I want a 10-second car, but you've got like a 9-second car now.
Yeah,
probably.
so I let off at the 8th mile Thursday. I went 1040. I think it was at like 110. And my 8th mile I crossed at about 111. So if I stayed
111,
in it, I'm
yeah,
sure it would have been 9s easy.
Absolutely. Yeah, we got a stripped interior. It is a race car, and that's what you wanted, right?
I have the interior, but my wife keeps yelling at me to do the roll cage, so I tore it out.
It does need a cage, yeah.
So once I get the cage, I got another aluminum seat. We're gonna have the cage, and then we'll put all the interior back in.
Oh yeah, it's going back in. I didn't realize that. Okay.
One of the tracks I race at, they want you to have a firewall between the fuel tanks, so I built that budget built at home. That'll be gone as well.
Your channel is the true budget channel. It really is.
Budget as it really can come.
It's the opposite of a $70,000 Fox body, for sure.
It's like a $7,700.
There you go, and it's way faster than mine. I love it.
Yeah.
You having fun with it?
Oh yeah, I mean that's really all it's about. It's a lot of fun, and everyone that I talk to, it's really rewarding when they come and they're like, hey man, you're like talking to the common guy, you know, the regular guy, you know, and that's kind of, you know, I really enjoy that, because you know, it's nice to get all the bells and whistles and expensive stuff, but you can go just as fast and have just as much fun and not spend nearly as much money.
Yeah, if you want a budget channel, a do-it-yourself channel, follow Regular Guy Garage. Absolutely. For my channel, well, that's fine. That's what we want, differences.
Oh,
Dan goes fast.
You got that 306 in your car, right? I bet you that's a pretty fast little car. I mean,
it's good for street driving, but you know, I got me here, 550 miles.
Well, that's the thing, is you can drive it here. This I had to put it on the back of a trailer, so.
All right, let's see. I fit in here barely. Ain't no street car. Yep, that's a race car for sure. All right, let's see if I can get out of here. Oh, my back.
I'm just glad it started on the first kick.
First hit. First hit. Oh, man. Giving all kinds of stuff today, guys. Got this actual shirt from Street Slayers as well. He's got a channel too. He was just recently on the video yesterday. He was in the horsepower challenge, but big thanks to him as well for the shirt. Really appreciate it, man. 417 Fox, Street Slayers, you guys are great, man. Just can't thank you guys enough. Wow, guys, what an amazing turnout. Finally, the sun is out, so I'm hopeful we can have some drag racing coming soon. We'll see. I really want to see Regular Guy Garage's car go down the track. Man, that thing is quick. But what fun today I had getting to meet people, talk to people, and guess what? We're doing it again. We're doing it again. That's right. Next weekend, I'm taking Tar Heel Fox. I'm driving her to Hershey, Pennsylvania for the Chocolate Fox Show, all Fox Body show. Really excited about it. Hoping to meet some more of you out there as well, and this is gonna be a lot of fun. So that's gonna be wrapping up for this one though. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. And we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Somebody, I mean, that happens. Everybody, yeah, he's like, I'm gonna look short. I mean, come on.
I had to fix my hair first.
Yeah, fix your hair. What's going on? He said your name. He already saw you.
I think I'm getting a gift certificate.
What do you got?
I don't know. I'm getting a gift certificate.
To see him in his natural habitat.
Oh, man. There's Matt right there.
I thought I'd be a little taller and stand up here. So when Neo snuck up a Foxcast, Brutal just paid him back. You're gonna have to check out Brutal's channel to see it. Brutal got him back. Oh my goodness, guys, we have a real celebrity out here. Who's this?
Hank Hogan, brother. Let me tell you something, brother. Hank Hogan's down here in Jackson, Tennessee. He found the Jackson drag strip, and look what the Hulkster found. Mustang show. Hank Hogan brought the Patriot Mustang, and we're gonna run wild on all these Mustangs, brother. What you gonna do when Hank Hogan, the largest arms in the world, the 24-inch pythons, run wild on you?